Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a healthy and tasty veg full meal recipe comprising of broccoli, rice and coconut chickpea curry. This is a simple yet tasty recipe which can be enjoyed during lunch or dinner time. So friends, let's get started with the making of this lovely recipe. So here I have taken a bowl of chickpeas which I have soaked in water for about 6 to 7 hours, and now we need to pressure cook them. I'm going to add a large garlic pot which I will crush and add along with the chickpeas. Next, add some water in a pressure cooker. Now add the soaked chickpeas along with the crushed garlic into it. Add half teaspoon of salt. Close the lid, and now we need to pressure cook the chickpeas on medium flame for 4 to 5 whistles until they are soft and tender. In the meantime, we will prepare the broccoli rice. For that I have taken here 1.5 cup of soaked basmati rice, one medium sized broccoli which I have grated like this. Then also you will need around half cup of finely chopped dill leaves. So these are dill leaves. Apart from the health benefit of dill leaves, they also add a nice flavor to any dish you add. Then you will need one medium size one teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, half teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, and some finely chopped onions, say around 2 tablespoons. Fry them well. Next, add the grated broccoli and saute them for a while on medium heat. Next goes the finely chopped dill leaves and the soaked basmati rice. Mix the rice well with the broccoli and the dill leaves. And we will season this with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of dried oregano. And now give everything a good mix. It's time to add some water now to cook the rice. See to it that the water should be at least half inch above the rice. Now close with a lid and we will pressure cook it for just one whistle. Next we will prepare the chickpea curry. For that you will need some carrot slices of medium thickness, 2 large tomatoes finely chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, some finely chopped garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Then also I'll be using this red pepper which has got a mix of sweet and spicy flavor, and 1 garlic and 1 spring onion. Slice the red pepper diagonally in this way. And also roughly chop the garlic and spring onion. golden brown, and you will get a nice aroma of fried onion and garlic. Next goes the finely chopped tomatoes. Give a mix. I will add now the sliced red pepper and the chopped garlic and spring onions. And now I am going to season them with 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of salt. This should be enough because I have already added half teaspoon of salt while I pressure cooked the chickpeas, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give everything a mix so that all the spices are well combined. Now we'll add the boiled chickpeas along with the water. Mix well and we will let the gravy come to a boil. So as you can see, the curry has come to a boil. Finally, I'll be adding coconut milk. This is low fat coconut milk. Mix this well. And now we will let the chickpeas simmer in the coconut curry for a few minutes. So I'm going to cover and cook them on medium flame for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. By now everything is well combined and the curry has become slightly thick. Finally, I will be adding around half teaspoon of mixed herbs, the green part of the spring onions, and a juice of half a lemon. Mix this well. So our coconut chickpea curry is ready to be served. I will turn off the flame now. Meanwhile, our broccoli rice should also be ready. Let's check once. So as you can see, our rice is also ready, and now I'm going to arrange them in a serving bowl. And stay safe.